This is adjusting columns and rows, and we're going to begin by adjusting the column width first. I'm going to place the mouse pointer between column letters C and D, and when you see the mouse pointer change to the double arrows, you can click and drag to the right. That will increase the column width, and then you can click and drag to the left. That will decrease the column width. Notice what happens when you make a column too narrow that contains numerical values. The values get changed with pound signs. This is because Excel will not truncate or cut off a numerical value because you might think the number is different than what it actually is. To see the number in any one cell, if you place the mouse pointer over it, you'll see the number in a tip box. You can also decrease the width of column B. Again, I'm between columns B and C. Just going to click and drag to the left. And as I decrease the column, notice what happens when there are text entries in the cell locations. Excel just simply cuts those text entries off. But again, it won't do that for numerical values. To remove the pound signs, you just need to increase the width of column C. I'm actually going to increase the width of 3 columns at the same time. So I'm clicking and dragging from cell A1 over to C1. I'm in the Home tab of the ribbon. I'm clicking the Format button and then selecting Column Width. When the Column Width dialog box opens up, I'm going to type the number 10. Then clicking the OK button, the width of columns A, B, and C are now 10 points. And notice what happens when column C gets wider. You can now see the numerical values in this column. You can do the same thing with row heights. If I take the mouse pointer and place it between row numbers 1 and 2, I can click and drag down to increase a row height or click and drag up to decrease the height. And you can also change the row height of multiple rows. I'm clicking and dragging from cell A1 to A2. I'm in the Home tab of the ribbon, clicking the Format button and selecting Row Height. And in the Row Height dialog box, I'm just typing the number 30 and clicking OK. This changes the row height for both rows 1 and 2 to 30 points. And that is how you adjust the row heights and column widths.